Traveling back to Goa and not enjoying the seafood is just a waste of vacation. This time in Goa, I enjoyed the best of Goan cuisine and food prepared by my mother-in-law. So here for lunch we had beef chops, kingfish fry, rice, authentic Goan prawn curry. Look at the prawns, amazing, and pomfret rashad fry. Enjoyed this delicious spread of food, rested for the afternoon, and then in the evening, we headed for the grand opening of Saligao Community Market. This market is held at the Saligao Institute and showcases the region's rich culture, craft, and culinary diversity. It brings together local artisans and food vendors offering delicious Goan food, variety of plant, handmade craft jewelry, hand-poured candles, soap, bath salts, and clay pots. So here we have hand-painted trinket dishes, salt and pepper shakers, jewelry boxes, water bottles, some handmade earrings and jewelries, and unique tattoo paintings for the kids. Local Goan snack ranging from beef croquette, pork pies, beef puffs, chicken puffs, and some delicious sorpatel and chicken shakuti. These meticulously hand-painted tiles with blue and white designs depicting the Goan and Portuguese cultures known as the azulejos, art of trays, coasters, key holders, and hand paintings.
Thank you so much.
They also had a wide variety of traditional earthenware clay pots, cups, lanterns, and decorative pieces. Hand-poured candles, soaps, bath salts, and foot scrubs from Mirasha, Goa. The foot scrub is definitely worth a try. If you're in Goa, then do give this market a try as it is held every Tuesday from 4:30 to 8 pm. Do go forward and support these small businesses and local entrepreneurs of Goa. Then we got back home and I enjoyed the last bits of Goan monsoon, rested well, and then headed back to UK the next day. Back in UK and back to the same routine. I was missing Goa quite a lot, so on day 1 I prepared this really delicious Goan Ross. If you need the recipe for it, do comment down and I will share it in my upcoming videos. Ended the day by preparing a batch of overnight oats to be eaten for breakfast the next day. Very simple to prepare. You have taken 1 sachet of oats. To this I add 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of mixed nuts, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix well, store it in the refrigerator overnight, and then it's good to consume for breakfast in the morning. If you all enjoyed this mini vlog, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down and share it with your family and friends. I'll be sharing a mini celebration vlog next week, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, take care and stay safe.